Kibor Pinyat District jong ka East Castles ki bela pediang ya ka jing ujor jong MLA ka Nongkrem constituency ba Arden Mila Basoy mat bar ki bela pelong ya ka jing toket ka bakir ke henne ka step ki lalap ba ka jing keno utainom ikmat halor ka jingwa ya ki lama Pakistan hakawai ka jaka hachalu para kamdei ka baya hab satya namar ki dei tang ki lama le niam jong ki muslim hawa pensyai ya kani ka jing lap jong ka kenhun toket ka bela lam kmat do magistrate uba Roni Walang Kenjuru aga jing senran lang u DSP S Persad u Deputy Commissioner ka East Castles uba Peter Dekhar ula ong ka kaipot kaplai opidang na ka jing toket kapala le penstet klem de penslempor lalap bakti kilama ki bawa kimdei kilama Pakistan hendai tang kilama le niam jongki runge muslim banchupun kan mau hakalai phui tarik naitung uba Arden ula ujor bad dawaru na DC bodei ban pha toket kirke panlap la ka dei ne em ka bashisha kat kum ka jinglap jong u haka arphundai tarik naitung kat baudang ya lingba na ka tega jaka jalupara bad bolayu I pakidon kilama Pakistan ki blawa haki benta jong ka te ka jaka.
I had received a letter from the Honorable MLA, Mr. Arden Basoy Mat, in connection with the locality at Themmauba, Nongkrem, where according to him, he said that, and he believed that some flags which were raised at that locality could be the flags of the other countries like Pakistan, and he had requested this office to conduct an inquiry, and based on his written complaint to this office, I had requested SP to depute a DSP along with a magistrate to conduct the inquiry. So the inquiry was conducted, and after doing all the rounds in the place, and after having interaction with the local headman and other senior citizens and other people in the areas, finally it has been found out that they are not Pakistani flags. They are flags which belongs to one section of the religious groups, and they are signs or flags showing the universal feeling of that particular religion, which is Islam, and therefore the colors, the shape, and whatever has been shown in those flags do not at all resemble or has any indication to say that they are Pakistani flags. That is point one. Point two, there was no such thing like anyone from the area feel to express anything of the feeling of other countries, but the feeling of the country which are all Indians. And at this juncture, I would like also to request the print and electronic media that in future, if there are things which they would like to bring it out to the newspaper, through the newspaper, esteemed electronic media and all, kindly cross-check the case properly, so that it may not lead to any kind of misleading the general public in any manner. So as at this juncture, there's no such thing like flags of other countries being raised there, but it just happened that it is a week of festivity of one particular religion, where these flags have been raised for the purpose of decorations and decorative purposes in those areas, and just for that reason. So there's nothing which says of any other reason that flags have been raised or which belong from other countries. That's all I can share with you.
Any message to the Muslim Union so that such thing like no law and order, there will be no breakdown of law and order?
Yeah, I don't expect any breakdown of law and order. I don't expect anything like that, because there's no such thing of that kind, and they don't have anything in mind to do such things also. So it's just a letter which has been given by the Honorable MLA, and I take it that it is my duty to depute magistrate and police to conduct an inquiry and to find out the facts. So facts have been found that there's no such